Hello everyone, Akash here. Today we are going to understand the pretty much into the world of a machine learning. Okay, so fancy word of computers learn from data. Okay, but how do we know that if what a computer, how do we know that computer learn actually works? Let's say, uh, let's say you given some particular data. Okay, you given the data to the machine. How do you verify that this machine is learned something? Okay, learned something, right? Learned something. So how do you verify that? I will be going to talk about that, folks. That is only the particular topic of this particular video, today's topic. Okay, so you will understand why I'm talking about it. Okay, how it actually works. That's where the cross validation comes into the picture. Okay, CV. I hope now and then the particular videos you have heard about it, right? So cross validation, that's where the cross validation comes in. So imagine you are studying the particular for the test, right? Studied for the particular test, big test, like but only you practice on same practice problem over and over. Not very helpful, right? So cross validation is like using different text papers. Like let's suppose I'm giving this test paper, various test paper I will be going to give it to you. Like different practice, make sure that you are truly prepared. Okay, truly prepared, you will give the answer for that. If you are truly prepared, you will give the answers, right? So this is a particular thing like splitting up for a better learning. Okay, so this is a particular thing. So let's get dive into it, understanding the concept. So what's cross validation, how it is that, and will particular things will be going to take it. Okay, imagine you are training a computer program. Okay, this is a program which you are writing to train to recognize these dogs. Okay, these are the different type of breeds of a dogs are there. You are giving the machine, giving the data, giving the images to recognize this kind of a dogs basically, right? In a pictures, cross validation is like a splitting up your dog picture into two groups. One is a training and another one is a testing, right? I hope you have gone through with the previous video. Basically, we talked about training set and test set. So training set, what it will do, it's like your study guide. The computer program uses this features to learn how to identify. Training set will talk about how to identify different type of breeds of the dogs. Okay, different dog breeds identifying. This training will going to talk about training set. Okay, identification, understand like that. Test set, what it will do is, this is like your actual test. This program uses these unseen pictures to see if it can correctly identify the dogs if it has not seen before. Okay, so this is a particular, why is this helpful, you will be going to ask me, right? Why is this helpful? Yeah, Akash, why it is this helpful? Just like using a different practice set, cross validation helps prevent overfitting. Okay, overfitting is like memorizing the answers, same practice problem, instead of truly understanding the concepts. Okay, overfitting is like a memorizing the answer for the same practice problem instead of truly understanding the concepts, right? The program must do the great on training pictures, familiar faces, but struggle with new ones. So surprise dark updates. Okay, I hope you got the understanding why the cross validation, what is the cross validation, right? So now we'll try to understand about the use case. Like it will helpful in the recommending the movies and online shopping. Movies recommendation. Imagine a movie streaming service that recommends movies based on your watch history, right? Let's suppose you have seen your YouTube, right? So it will be based upon your history, it will be going to recommend you, right? Next movie, what you will be going to see. Like that, they can able to understand what you are doing, right? So in the online shopping as well, I told you from the previous videos onwards, I'm talking about. Ever wondered how online tour shopping products you might like, similar to movies? Like cross validation helps the prevent system from just recommending the things you bought before. Okay, it helps to find the hidden patterns in your purchase history to suggest the new things you might interested in, right? So the same thing, what you can do is like you can give the I have given previously how you can use the linear regression model. So try to use that particular model, folks. Try to use a list. Try to take a different kind of categories of images, try to put it and try to train the model how you can do it. Okay, so you can do that, folks. So let me know how you will be going to do. But the limitation and improvements how the cross validation is great is like it can be computationally expensive for a very large data set, but it relies on how you split your data. One way to improve is like using the sophisticated splitting techniques and other approaches like technique like requires splitting the data entirely, right? So cross-validation is a powerful tool that helps the machine learning models learn effectively and avoid the overfitting. Okay, so overfitting is not like just memorizing the answer without understanding the concept, right? So this is what overfitting is looks like. So next time when you see the recommendation online, remember that there might be the some clever cross-validation going on behind scenes. Okay, so this is a particular thing I wanted to share with you folks. Thanks for watching this particular video. If you have any questions about cross-validation or machine learning in general, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, that's it about this video, folks. We will meet you in the next video.